Lbiotech is a company specializing in the technological development of eco-friendly agriculture, livestock, and fisheries materials. Established in April 2005, it held a variety of patents, such as for the world's first supermicrobial fermentation process, and was equipped with a microbial fertilizer plant. Lbiotech has been involved in a wide range of research, including the culture and experimentation of supermicroorganism. Supermicroorganism is a microorganism of 12 kinds of microbial strains, which we extracted from domestic medical herbs. It is better than the existing microorganisms and also boasts of long vitality. Natural sulfur-infused water is a solution to remove the harmful toxins in the human body using a microorganism while preserving the efficacy of sulfur. In the periodic table of the elements, sulfur's symbol is S, atomic number 16, and it is in the 8th position among the 14 species of constituent elements constituting the human body. This is an essential material for catabolism and anabolism in all living things. Sulfur has a miraculous detoxification ability to sanitize harmful bacteria and can remove heavy metals or contaminants and antibiotics from living organisms. We, humans, are always exposed to contaminated water, air, yellow dust, antibiotics, agricultural pesticides, and chemical fertilizers. However, sulfur removes heavy metals and toxic substances that are absorbed into the body from outside. Let's find out how sulfur is involved in the physiological action in our body. First of all, sulfur makes our muscles and bones stronger and relieves pain. Secondly, harmful toxic substances are removed while active oxygen penetrates into the blood and cell membranes. Thirdly, sulfur is a beauty material used to make our skin more elastic by the changing process of cross-combination of collagen. Fourthly, sulfur is highly recommended for building up men's stamina. Sulfur helps the movement of sperms by actively stimulating mitochondria, which is supplying the energy needed for sperm movement. In Dongui Bogam, also known as Principles and Practice of Eastern Medicine, it has been described that sulfur is effective in the treatment of men's lack of stamina. The effect of sulfur has been described scientifically in modern medicine, as well as in many medical books like Dongui Bogam, Principles and Practice of Eastern Medicine, Compendium of Materia Medica, God of Herbal Medicine, Pyeongjak Simseo, and the Inner Canon of Hwangji. In South Korea, most people know that sulfur is effective because of the Korean medical TV series Daejangwam. As described above, sulfur is an essential element for life and is greatly efficient in body purification, detoxification, sterilization, and building up stamina. Sadly, we cannot consume it directly because of its strong odor and specific toxicity. Sprinkling of natural sulfur-infused water, which is removed of the toxins from sulfur, with supermicroorganism in the Lbiotech has resulted in roots of rice were seen to have developed more, the color of rice leaves looked better, and the size of grains became bigger. When natural sulfur-infused water was sprayed on pear trees, the diseased pears that were sprayed with natural sulfur water stayed fresh for 15 days, while the diseased pears that were not sprayed became rotten seriously. Based on these facts, natural sulfur-infused water can be used to control disease resistance. In addition, the sugar content of pears went up from 11.0 to 14.1, and the quality was enhanced by the addition of sulfur. Spraying of sulfur water on persimmon trees resulted in an increase in the sugar content from 8.6 to 14.1, and the quality was enhanced as well. The fruit from the fig trees were well preserved too. On the first day, figs that were sprayed and non-sprayed preserved well. However, on the second day, the figs that were not sprayed with natural sulfur water began to rot. The figs that were sprayed with natural sulfur water were preserved really well, even after 3 to 4 days. On the other hand, the figs that were not sprayed went bad seriously. Natural sulfur water has accelerated the growth of agricultural production and has maximized the benefit to farmers by expanding the disease resistance of each species. Natural sulfur-infused water will be used in a variety of fields, including agriculture, such as rice, cabbages, and kinds of garlic, fruit-bearing trees, livestock, such as duck, pig and hen, fisheries, and saprolegnia antiseptic and treatments, and algal bloom water treatment for the environment. Sulfur is indeed God's great work. Lbiotech, a company specializing in the technological development of eco-friendly agriculture, livestock, and fisheries materials.